Hey everyone, Jacob Haddan here, Mortgage Consulting Group, your mortgage company built to educate the consumer. Today I'm diving into a question. Should you get your mortgage from a bank or a mortgage broker? You're making a massive decision, as I've said before in previous videos, on the biggest financial decision in your life. Who you work with will matter. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down. The differences, the advantages, the myths, and how choosing the right path could potentially save you thousands of dollars and weeks of stress. Let's start with the basics. So you go to a bank, you bank with them, right? You have your checking account there. You see the mortgage professional while you're going to make a deposit or withdrawal at your bank. And you're working directly with one lender, one loan officer, whether it be Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, the big boys, right? You name it. You get a loan program they offer. You see their current rate sheets. It's usually one size fits all. Not bad, right? They have their products. They have their place. Or you go to a credit union. They have the same thing, kind of a menu, if you will, of a box that you fit in and that they can offer. Well, when you work with a mortgage broker like me, you get access to dozens of wholesale lenders, and not just one. I act as your advocate, matching you with the best loan program, the best rate, the smoothest process based on your specific financial goals. The best way to think of it would be like this. You go to a restaurant, right? The one that has, they only feed you what they have on their menu at that restaurant, like any restaurant. Well, a mortgage broker is your personal chef that's shopping at the grocery store for you. And we're going to make you that best possible meal that you can imagine. Now, let's talk about what everyone cares about, rates and fees. So there's a myth that banks have better rates because they're big institutions, and that's not always the case. Their brokers work with wholesale lenders, so we have relationships, we have agreements, which means that we can offer loans on a wholesale basis, on a volume basis. So we often have lower interest rates depending on which lenders we're going to, and fewer fees because the volume we do and the efficiency of our process. So your big banks often pad that rate to cover overhead. Brokers like me get you closer to true market pricing and allow the banks to compete. We shop all the lenders. We shop based on the rate, based on the cost, and based on the quality of service that lender provides. How quick can they get the file through to closing without asking for the blood of your firstborn, the hair strand, and the wild things that they put you through, all the hoops. Well, I'll break down every fee in plain English, no surprises, right? So at a bank, a loan officer typically that works at the bank, their job is to sell their loans at their rates. As a broker, I work for you. My loyalty is to your financial success, not a corporate quota. That means one lender says no, I got 20 others lined up. If you need a creative structure, down payment assistance, self-employed income, or rehab financing, I've got way more tools in my toolbox. You're not just a number in my system. You're a name, your family. And the goal is to keep it that way and take that process personally, see to it that you get taken care of, just like I would take care of my own sister, brother, mother, grandmother. Here's something people don't expect. Working with a broker is usually faster. Banks have layers of red tape, call centers, outdated systems. At Mortgage Consulting Group, you use a modern tech e-signing, real-time updates, SMS alerts, available on weekends. Try getting that from your local bank. Flexibility, access to your FHA, VA, USDA, DSCR, jumbo, HELOCs, construction loans, non-QM, bank statement loans, whatever your situation, I've probably seen it and solved it and ready to solve it again for you. Now, let's be fair. There's times when a bank, a credit union, they're the right fit for you. And that's okay. Yes, you refinance, you want to roll everything into your existing checking retirement accounts. You need special employee perks at a bank. It might be worth exploring. They cross-sell you on different options that the bank has, CDs and such. And you can still come to me, and I'll tell you straight if that's the best option on the market for you. My job isn't to sell you, it's to advise you. Let me give you a quick example. I had a client recently come to me after being told by their bank, right? Their bank declined their deal. They were self-employed, had great income, showing traditional tax returns. The bank said no for you. Well, I said, let's look at your 12 months of bank statements. We got them pre-approved with competitive rate, closed in under 20 days, and that's the power of options. If you're buying your first home, you're refinancing, don't settle for one option. Whether you're ready to start now or explore what's possible, I do free consultations, no pressure or commitment. My links are in the description, and I'd love to explore loan programs for you. Definitely like and subscribe. Tune in for more. Hit that bell icon. And I'd love to see you on future videos. Make comments. I look forward to answering any questions, posting other videos based on topics that you want to see. Thank you so much, and have a great day. See you next time.